guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. At this point, we're all new because it's a brand new channel. Even I'm new here. So anyway, this is December the 15th, 2021, and today I got this Amazon box in. And earlier I did part of the unboxing, but it was a lot of stuff, and my family came home partway through, so I had to quit. So now I am all cozy in my bed, so I'm not going to show you myself, as I'm already in my jammies. But I do want to show you the rest of the stuff that I got in so I can start working on it. And I'm super excited because I ordered this, maybe a few weeks ago, and it was supposed to come in on December the 15th. I think it was supposed to originally come in on the 10th, and then they said the 15th. And then as the 15th approached, they said the 20th. So I was so disappointed, I went out and I bought some stuff at the dollar store. And, because I just couldn't wait. And I'm glad I did. But let's take a look at the other stuff we got in here. Hang on, I gotta open this box. I've already opened it earlier. Okay, so here is all the stuff, all the goods. So we've already looked at this in an earlier video. So I'm just gonna put that aside. And we looked at this in an earlier video, so I just have two things left. So, this is one of the ones I was really excited for. So let's look at this first. And move this box away. So, these are Christmas cards. Diamond painting Christmas cards. They are partial drill. Each one of them is different. This one says, "Have a magical Christmas," and at the back it says, "Merry Christmas and the happiest New Year," and there's a reindeer. And let me turn it around. Sorry guys. And now those are all the cards that come in the kit. So I'm really excited about that one. I really like the snowman one, that last one. I think that's really pretty. This one right here. So let's see if I can open it up while I'm holding the camera. And let's take a look inside. I'm super excited. So we've got the envelopes. And let's see. I forgot to count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 different cards. And I'm just going to have to put the camera down for a second. But maybe I can balance it on my neck and you can still see while I take it out. I don't know. Is it working? Alright. So, we have the 8 envelopes. And I don't want those to get bent, so I'm just going to put them in the box over here. And we have the 8 cards and all the drills. It's an awful lot of drills. And the little kit with a little green boat and the pink pen and the red wax. The red wax from the dollar store was not great, so I'm hoping this is better. It started getting really stringy and kind of leaving bits on the beads, the drills. And we've got our little card showing all the cards. That's very nice. I don't have a scrapbook, so I'm doing like an online one that I saw online. But I kind of would like to get a real one too. But I don't have a printer that works very good, and it would be hard to get all the pictures, and I don't know if everything comes with these or not. Anyway, enough rambling. Let me move the drills aside for a second so we can take a look at these cards. So they have to be folded, obviously. So this one says Merry Christmas. And there's lots of room to make my own note. And oh, this is the one that I really love. I really love this one. I love snowmen. I love birds. I love country cottages. I love everything about this. This is beautiful. That's the kind of style I really like. I don't know what style that is. Like retro, I don't know. It reminds me of the cards that were out when I was a little girl. I just really like them. So anyway, underneath here, this is not sticky, but that part where all the numbers are really sticky. And unlike my dollar kit, These have symbols. And I don't know if my camera is picking it up. I see some numbers. I see some 5s and 4s and 6s. And 1s. 13. 11. Anyway, they're nice and clear. So it looks like just the snowman on this one is diamond painting. And that's fine. But I really love this one. I knew these were partials. And look how cute this little deer is. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And it says Merry Christmas. And some of the numbers, like these also have the little white holes underneath. So, I don't like covering white. But I guess it would be too hard to read if they put the colors underneath this. I could see why they do it. But it looks like some of these are going to have the fancier drills because they're bigger. Seriously, guys, I need one. You know how they make the books for the older people with the bigger writing? I need diamond painting kits that do that. But then instead of painting kits, it would be like wall murals, right? Who would have the space for it? But that's really what I need. So that's the second one. Ah! The plastic's coming off. And this is really cute. This is Santa Claus and a little tiny snowman and a little reindeer. And there's a few bigger ones on there too, it seems. I see a number 4 on the reindeer that looks bigger. And the edge of Santa's hat, the number 4. So it seems like all the number 4s are bigger. And is that a snowman or a penguin? I think it's a snowman. And it also says Merry Christmas. And I think they're all the same on the inside. They just say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And they have the beautiful deer in the field of snow. And it's snowing lightly. And all the pretty snowflakes on top, the big ones. It's really quite pretty. I like it. So there's the third one. And we have the bells on a pretty green background. This is very lovely. This is more mature looking for like an older person. Pretty. And you can see all the numbers, or the letters. Numbers, not letters. I'm just trying to see if there's any bigger ones on here. I can't see. I'm going to have to put my glasses on. But then if I put my glasses on, it's hard to see through the viewfinder. Oh, there's the 4s and the 2s. The 4s and the 2s are bigger. Are the 5s bigger? Oh, maybe not. Maybe my camera's just focusing better. Oh, my goodness. So you should see how funny I look when I'm doing this. I have to wear my reading glasses. And then I have my... I don't know what these are called. I guess it's like a crafting magnifier. You wear it around your neck. And this part's against your chest. But anyway, so... yeah. It's pretty funny. I should probably put my reading glasses on right now. Okay, so this is what I use. I use my reading glasses and my magnifying glass. And then maybe I have a better chance of seeing the numbers. Yeah, I still can't see if some of these circles are bigger than the others. Some of the 4s look like they're bigger, but maybe they're not. Maybe it's just the way my camera is focusing. Maybe they're all the same size. I don't know. I think they're all the same size. We'll look at the drills in a minute. And we have another Santa Claus. And he's wearing glasses. You know what it could be? The number 10 looks smaller because there's 2 numbers filling the same space, whereas the number 9, 4, and everything are bigger because there's only 1 number in the same space. So I think these are all just normal drills. I don't think any of them are special. Too bad. So that's very cute. And the insides are the same but different colors. So this one's blue. This one's brown. This one's like a same color almost, but more greeny. But I think these are very cute. What do you think? Have you done them? Reminds me of gingerbread colors, doesn't it? Remind you of a gingerbread house? And it's not a gingerbread, it's another Santa. I've got the hiccups. And it says Merry Christmas. And this is like a greeny, turquoisey color. I like that color a lot. I really am drawn to this color. And this says another Santa saying ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. This is very cute. And the last one is a pinky red on the inside. It's got candy cane red and white along the outside. And kind of like a very light faded red on the inside. And it's a unicorn. Really? A Christmas unicorn. Why not? I thought it would be a reindeer. But it's a really cute Christmas unicorn with candy canes. And a rainbow. And some holly. That's very cute. And it looks like the holly will be diamond painted too. And it says have a magical Christmas. Unicorns are magical. So those are the cards, and I'm very happy with them. What am I doing here? But I think they're all very cute, but this one's my favorite. I think I just like the detail in the picture, and this is the style I like. I guess I'm very old-fashioned. It's just very beautiful. I think I actually did give out Christmas cards like this before, but not diamond painted. Just like the regular cards. Okay, let's take a look at all the drills. And as far as I can see, they're all normal drills. And they have these little numbers on them. So like number 3 is HK0005. I don't know what 109L means. Is my camera focusing on that? How about now? I don't know what those numbers and underneath mean. 109L. But, so these are all in a packet together. Oh, each card maybe has its own packet. Okay. Let's see. HK001. This is 8, 7. What's this? Here, HK001 goes with the card that is HK001, which is the unicorn. Oh, that's really nice. So if you had a bunch of drills, you could give these to children to do. That would be really cool. So 1 set of drills per card. I like that. So this goes with this. That's very cool. And here's number 5, pink. And on here, it doesn't look as pink as this pink, does it? It looks like a darker color. Oh no, maybe. And there's black and white and green. I don't want to open this packet because I don't know. Let's see. I'll do one today. Which one do I want to do today? I don't know that I want to do the one that's all red today. I want to do one that I don't really like a lot in case I mess up. Which one do I like the least? Probably this Santa. One of these Santas. Just pick, Kathy. Pick. This one. We'll do this one. No, but I don't like it. I don't want to do it first. We'll do this one because I like the colors. Okay, we'll do this one first. I mean, I'm going to do them all, but I don't know if I'll do them all this year because I don't know if I'll have time because I want to do those ornaments. So this dude is HK002. So now I have to find HK002, 5, 6, 8, 7, 2. Here's 2. Okay. All right. I hope my camera is showing you this. So this is the set that goes with this one, right? So I see 6, 2, 5. So it looks like there's 7, 8. It says 8. right? So does that mean there's 8 colors, or are there numbers missing? 1, 2, is the camera focusing? I see a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and an 8. So are there little 8, are there 8 sets in here? Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I see only 6. Okay, you guys, I have to open this. I'll try to open it with this hanging off my camera. I can't really see what I'm doing. But it looks like there should be 8 colors in here. Maybe they're just folded in a way that I'm just not seeing them. Oh, yes, they are. There's more than 8 colors. Okay, here's color number 1. Color number 2. Color number 3. So those are the 3 reds. I really like color number 2 red. That's very pretty. And then number 4 is a white. And number 5 is like a kind of a gray. A very light gray. And number 6 is a darker gray. And number 7 is a very light off-white color. And number 8 is like a light tan color. And number 9 is a brown. And you'll get a better look at the backs. Hi guys, it's me again. So the battery on my camera died while I was talking about the colors in here. And I'm on my phone now, which I should be using instead of my camera because I can see so much better. But I don't know how much memory I have on my phone card. I have a card installed in my phone. But let's just take a look at these colors that go with this Santa card. Very pretty. Okay guys, so I really like that each card has its own set of, what are these called again? Drills. So every card has its own set of drills. So this says HK001. So that is for the unicorn, which we already saw. So this says HK004. So that is for the glasses Santa with the tree. So I think that's really, really cool. So I don't know what I'm going to start with. Should I start with the cards? Or should I start with the decorations? I kind of want to start with the ornaments. They're really keychains, but I think I'm going to do them as Christmas ornaments. Because the drills are so beautiful. Like, oh, look at the rhinestones. So pretty. So I have some decisions to make, but tonight I'm going to do, what do you think? Look, these are double-sided. Anyway, I guess it'll be a surprise because I can't decide. I want to do them all, and I want to do them all right now. So I'm very happy with the card set. But this has been going really long, so I think we're going to have to stop here, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these cards. And take care. All right, guys. See you later. Bye for now, and stay safe.